Mom, you always read in silence. Care to join breakfast?
I like to read books quietly.
Mom, the doctor told you to rest.
I don't like to lie down all day, so I was reading a book.
Well, Dad made a pancake for you.
Can I eat Henry's pancakes?
No, Mom, I helped Dad make it.
You don't know anything yourself, how did you help?
We made this pancake after watching it on YouTube. So you have to test it and tell me how it went.
Okay, you go, I'll come.
Don't ignore me, Mom. Come on.
Okay, fine, 1 minute, then breakfast.
Dad and Leo are waiting for you at the dinner table.
Mila, why isn't your mother coming yet?
Mom said she will come in 2 minutes.
Your mother is not feeling well. We need to see a good doctor.
We have to take care of Mom.
You're right. We'll take care of Mom from today.
Mila, bring your mother with you.
Everyone is waiting for me without eating. My head is Daisy.
What's that sound?
It seems like something has fallen.
Dad, come quickly and see what happened.
Yes, let's go. Lena fell down the stairs.
Mom, please get up.
The mom's head is bursting and bleeding.
Mom needs to be taken to the hospital.
The bleeding won't stop. Dad, quickly call an ambulance.
I'm calling 911 right now. Hello, please. Help me. My wife fell down the stairs and got hurt. Yes, please send an ambulance quickly.
Mom's breathing.
But she's not moving.
The ambulance has arrived. I have to go to hospital. Don't cry, Mila. Your mother will be completely fine. Trust the doctors and pray to God for your mother.
Dad, Mom will be fine. Nothing will happen to Mom, right?
I'm telling you, Mila, everything will be okay.
The doctor has been seeing my mom for a long time. Why hasn't he said anything yet?
Don't worry, we are all by Lena's side.
Nico is with my aunt and he is crying a lot.
I will return home with your mother.
Dad, that doctor is coming out to see Mom.
Dr. Smith, what is the condition of Lena now?
Doctor, my mother will recover?
Doctor, why are you silent? Please say something.
Calm down, Mr. Henry. Your wife's condition is very bad.
What are you saying, doctor?
We are trying our best.
Doctor, please save my mother.
He has suffered a severe head injury and internal bleeding head. Will need surgery immediately.
Doctor, I don't care how much it costs. I'll give everything I have. Just please save her.
We will operate today, but first we need to do some important tests.
I want to meet my mom once.
He is still unconscious. You can see from a distance, but you can't talk him.
Okay, doctor, we won't say anything. We'll just watch from a distance and come back.
After a while,
Mom,
Lena, look who's here to meet you.
Mom, please open your eyes. I will never disobey your words. Leo and I will never fight. I promise you to listen to everything you say.
Lena, look how much Neela and Leo are suffering seeing you in this situation. You always try to make sure none of them get hurt. Lena, why are you silent? Speak up.
Please don't get excited. His condition may get worse. He can't hear you. I need some medicine here. I'll prescribe it. You go to the pharmacy and get it.
Okay, give it to me. I'll bring it right away. Mila,
Yes, Dad, tell me.
I'm going to pharmacy to get medicine for your mother.
Okay, Dad, you go.
Can you stay here alone?
I am not alone. My mom is with me now.
Okay then. Keep your phone with you at all times. Sit quietly near your mother. There's no need to go outside. You might get lost outside.
Don't worry, Dad. I won't leave Mom and go anywhere.
Okay, take care of your mother. And if there's any problem, tell this Nuz. I will be back soon.
Be careful, Dad.
I want these medicines.
Okay, you donate a little, I'll pack all the medicine.
Please hurry up. I need it very urgently.
Okay, just 2 minutes.
Oh, God. Please make sure everything is okay over there.
This is your medicine.
Oh, how much money?
$100.
Take it, this is $100.
After some time. Hello, Maya Auntie.
How is your mother's health?
The situation is not good. My mother was still unconscious. What is Leo doing, Auntie?
Leo is crying so much. I can't handle her.
Leo wants to talk to his mother. Where's your father?
Dad went to get medicine.
Leo wants to go to her mother. I'll take her later.
Okay, don't make Annie Leo cry.
Don't worry, I'll manage Leo.
I'll tell Dad to call you when Dad comes. Bye.
Nurse, I brought all the medicines.
Okay, give them to me.